It's Marty here. We're down at OPIE Manufacturing Group. Today we've got an interesting project. We've got a Can-Am Maverick that we're doing some laser scanning on. Then we're going to take that scan into our 3D software and we're going to model some components to then bolt onto the car.
So what device do you use?
So this is the RigelScan. It's a laser scanner. So basically we put a heap of dots all over the car, and then this scanner will then pick up and reflect off the surfaces of the car, and it'll give us an image of the shape of the car or the shape of anything that we want to scan.
So what is the scan used for?
So then we will we'll actually import that scan into our 3D modeling software, and then I can use that scan to then build off that scan. So we can actually make parts off that scan and then just check that the parts fit onto the virtual car before we actually make the parts for the actual car.
How accurate is it?
So I think it's something like 0.1 of a millimeter or something like that. So we're up to stage 2 of our buggy project. As you can see, a lot of the car has come apart. We have to remove parts like the standard roll bar because that's not compliant for where they want to race this car. So the guys at GRC are actually going to build a new cage for it. From there, we're going to scan their new cage and we're going to work out how we can make it efficiently for them, because he's got to reproduce the cage over and over. Also, we've stripped out the inside so we can take a scan of all of where the new seat brackets are going to go, petrol tank options, a new door option as well, and some bits and pieces like that. So whilst the car's getting in many pieces now, we'll slowly start to build it back together.
Hi, I'm Greg from GRC Motorsport. We race and build Can-Am Mavericks for motorsport use in Australia. So we're here today with the guys from OPIE Group. They're doing a full scan of the new Maverick R for us. And what we hope to do with this is streamline all our roll cage building, which is all done to Motorsport Australia compliant rules. So the guys have set up all the scan gear all over the car, taken dimensions of the plastics, the roll cage mounting points. So the next step of this is we'll hand build our first cage, and then from that we can refine all our pickup points, streamline our building, and hopefully get these cages out as quick as we can to the customers.